what if I told you today that we're throwing a whole chicken in the crock pot? Stay tuned, you don't want to miss this one. After setting it and forgetting it, you've got a whole chicken. There are a host of benefits to this. So much cheaper to get a whole chicken. You're going to get broth out of the whole deal. We'll talk about that later. I'll show you in a future video how to get jars and jars of broth that you can put in the freezer for later. But be sure to Google homemade chicken broth and you can see lots of health benefits as well. Now I'm going to quit talking and get back to this easy peasy recipe. Hopefully relaxing video to enjoy. And that's all there is to it to make the easiest whole chicken in the crock pot or slow cooker, whatever you call it. Now I have plenty of meat that I'm about to remove for a meal in itself, or I can throw it into a chicken salad, stir fry, chicken quesadillas. You can put it in a container and throw it in the freezer for another day. Next step now, I'm about to make some chicken broth with what's left over, but that's for the next video. As always, thank you for being here. We love y'all, and remember to keep it country style. I hope you enjoyed this, and for more country style living, home and garden inspiration, we have lots of other videos for you to watch. Love y'all. Thanks for being here.